everyone, it's Anand Aributani, and today I want to discuss a patient retention tip, and that's communication. Communication is instrumental to keeping patients in the study, and that's because, who doesn't like communication at the end of the day? And communication can be multiple things. It can be, how you discuss what clinical research is with the patient throughout the study, and you can educate them about the clinical trial and any available educational material that comes out from the sponsor about the study medication, about the condition, whatever it might be. But constantly sending them information that keeps them engaged, keeps them aware of your clinical research site, and keeps you on top of mind. So communication can spread out to be other things as well. You can think of it as, the reminders you send right before they have any appointment coming up. This can be communication that, you know, that can be an email newsletter even for the holidays saying happy holidays, Merry Christmas, or whatever it might be. And maybe even tips for the summer, keeping on the sun lotion and things like that. Basically, friendly reminders to keep the conversation alive between you and the patient. And this can be done through multiple modes. It can be done through text messaging, emails, and even old-fashioned phone calls. And phone calls actually work great because it builds that human touch with the patient that, in today's digital age, we end up losing a lot of. So it's very important to keep in touch with those patients and, do it however you can. I'm not saying phone calls are absolutely necessary. Look into, sending out emails, text messages, whatever it might be, but just sending something so that way, it keeps you and the research site on top of mind, and your study on top of the patient's mind. So that way, when time comes around, they're going to make their appointments, they're going to be taking their investigational drug, they're going to be doing the things that the study requires, such as filling out their e-diary. This is why, communication is so key. Sometimes we have to constantly remind people of, the importance of things, of why we're doing it. And, essentially, even if you think about corporations or companies, this is why we have mission statements and things that we always remind our staff of, so that way we can always be aligned and remember things like this. So, if you remind them why they're doing clinical research and what the goal of the study is, keeps them feeling like they're connected to it and not forgetting, the things, because we have so many things going on in our mind that we'll forget these little things. So, you know, keep communication strong. And if you need any additional tips of how you can streamline and automate your communication or scale it even, feel free to reach out to me at ari@trialjoin.com, or you can give me a call at 415-851-3879. All right, everyone. See you soon.